Hey everybody, it's Peace Daddy. I am here with you doing activity number 10 on mixtures and solutions. We have entered the solid portion of our unit. These next few lessons are going to be all about solids. So in your science notebook, you can write down that this is activity number 10. And we are doing solids lesson 1. All right, so what are we gonna need? We need a tray that is prepared with several forms and types of solids. And it can be anything. I happen to get a orange and a paintbrush. This is a 5-gram mass that is a hexagon and an eraser. And it says to establish a target surface area that you wish to cover with your solid. So there's my target. Place one solid on the target. Next, try to place a second solid on the same target surface area. Can you complete this task? Well, let's try. Could I put the brush where the orange is? No. How about the hexagonal shape? No. Or the eraser? No. Well, what if I changed it? What if I put the eraser? No. So it doesn't really matter what I put on there first. It's kind of hard to get two solids in the same space. So the question says, can you complete this task? Record your observations in your science journal. So the thing that you should write in your science journal is what it says on statement number 10. And if you need to pause for a minute to pause the video and write that down, you're welcome to do so, but I'll also read it to you. It says, two solids cannot be in the same space at the same time. A solid can be broken into smaller and smaller parts, but it always remains a solid. So I don't know if you remember, if you happen to catch my first grade lesson video, but there was a part in there where we talked about solids, and one of the things we did is we had a portion of the video where there was a large rock, and then we showed how a smaller piece of the rock could be broken off, but it still remains a solid. And the thing that you have to remember is the reason that solids remain solids is because of those little parts that are inside of them. Those atoms that are inside of a solid stay close to each other. The particles in a solid, if you could think about my two fists here as atoms, they are so close together in a solid that you cannot put anything through them, but they do move, okay? The particles of a solid move, but they're moving such a small amount that we just say that they vibrate. Okay, so there is some movement there, but when you put this solid into a space, a target space, because its atoms are so close together, nothing can get through there. Nothing can change a solid into a different state of matter. It always stays a solid. So this has been lesson number, or activity number 10 from our whole unit of activities on mixtures and solutions. This is Peace Daddy signing off. See you next time.